how to get directions to a Burger King. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to burgerking.com. Then tap on the three lines in the top left and then go to find a restaurant. And then you can see the search bar in the top left. So put in the location that you want to visit, and then you'll find all of the Burger Kings near there. You can tap on it. So you can tap on view store hours, and there you'll see the directions options. Tap on it, and then the Google Maps will open up and you'll find the directions. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.